Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tanveer Gaad. I am a student of University Campus Larkana, Department of Computer Science, batch 2K17. My roll number is LCS 43. Today my presentation on subject Operation Research of third year first semester. History of Operation Research, features of OR, graphical method, example of graphical method, the transportation problem, example of transformation problem. History. History. Operational research has been acquired as a science since 1930, when it began in systematic way, but as a formal discipline, optional research created by the efforts of military planner during World War II. Since the operational research has expanded into a field widely used in indus- industries, ranging from petrochemical to airlines, finance, logistics, and government. Now it has been become an area of active academic and industrial research. Operations research, the discipline of applying advanced analytical methods to help make better decisions, or is a problem solving and decision taking techniques, or is a problem solving and decisions taking techniques. The techniques of optional research have been applied and proven in many industries under different names. For instance, LEN in lean in manufacturing, supply chain in logistics, and yield management in airlines. Features of OR, decision making. Number one, decision making. Every industrial or organization faces multifaceted problems to identify best possible solution to their problems. Number two, scientific approach, or applies scientific methods, techniques, and tools for the purpose of analysis and solution of the complex problems. In this approach, there is no place for guesswork in the person bias of the decision maker. Methodology of operations research. Understand the actual real situation, capture the same and define the problem. Formulate a mathematical model. Application of operation research. It is considered a kit of scientific and programmable rules which provides the management a quantitative basis for decision concerning the operation under its control. Graphical method. Graphical method. Graphical method is used to solve problems by finding the highest or lowest point of intersection between the objective function line and feasible region on a graph. What is purpose of graphical method? We use a graphical method of linear programming for solving the problems by finding out the maximum or lowermost point of the intersection on a graph between the objective function line and the feasible region. Example, here the example of sum. Example, max z minus 4 into plus 10y sub to consist 15 into plus 3y 10 21 x plus 14y 25. And next 15x plus 3y is equal to 10. X is equal to 0. Hence 15 small bracket 0 small bracket over. Next plus 3y is equal to 10. 0 plus 3y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 into 3. Y is equal to 3.3. 15x plus 3y is equal to 10. 21x plus 40y is equal to 25. Y is equal to 0 plus 3 bracket open 0 bracket over is equal to 10. 15x plus 3 bracket open 0 bracket over is equal to 10. 21x plus 14y is equal to 25. 15x plus 0 is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 into 15. X is equal to 0.6 plus 14 is equal to is plus 14. Y is equal to 25. Y is equal to 25 into 14. 14 bracket open 0 bracket over is equal to 25. 21x plus 14 bracket open 0 bracket over is equal to 25. 21x x is equal to 25 slash 21. X is equal to 0.1. S is equal to x y bracket over bracket open x y bracket over s is equal to middle bracket open small bracket open 0 3.3 bracket over small bracket open 0.6 bracket 0 middle bracket over s s dot s is equal to middle bracket open small bracket open 0 0.7 small bracket over small bracket open 0.1 0 small bracket over middle bracket over. Here is the diagram. the diagram of corner points. 0 minus 0 is equal to 14. 0 plus 10. 0 is equal to 0. 0.1. 0 is equal to 4. 0.1 plus 10. 0 is equal to 0.4. 0 0.7 is equal to 4. 0 plus 10. 0.7 is equal to 7. The max value satisfy the objective function. For finding value of x, we put y is equal to 0. Graphical methods. Graphical methods are quick and easy to use and make visual sense. Calculation can be done with little or no special software needed. Visual test of model, i.e., how well the points line up, is an additional benefit. Advantages of graphical method. The transportation problem. It is the linear programming technique. The transportation problem deals with transport or shipping of any product from original source to destination, where origins has supply of units, the destination has demand for units to deliver from the audience. Objective of transportation problem. The main objective of transportation problem is to minimize the total transportation cost while distributing product from number of sources to the transportation problem. Suppose there are three factories which produced the same product having the capacity demands. Each factory can transport it to each destination. The cost of transportation may be the cost of the transportation may be different. Here is a diagram. Source, one side is source and second side is destination. F1 dots are source and P1, P2, P3 dotted are the destination. They are connected with each other, hence demands F1, P1, D1, F2, P2, D2, F3, P3, D3. Types of transportational problem. Number one, types of transportational problem. There are two types of transportational problem: balanced transportational problem, unbalanced transportational problem. Structure. So this is general structure of transportation mode. Date is the ocean. Date is supply. One side is ocean, one side is supply. And first row 01, 02, 03, D1, D2, D3, and here is a supply. And C11, C12, C13, supply A1, C21, C22, C23, supply A2, C31, C32, C33, supply A3. Demands B1, B2, B3. Balanced transportational problem. A transformational problem is said to be balanced transformational problem. If total number of supply is same as the total number of demand, and 0 1 C D1 D2 D3 D4 supply, 0 1 C11 C12 C13 C14 A1 supply, 0 2 C21 C22 C23 C21 supply A2, 0 2 C31 C32 C33 C31 A3 supply. Demands B1 B1 B2 B3 B4 and A I is equal to B J if total number of supply is equal to total number of demand is cancelled balanced transformational problem. Now there are now there are two cases. Case one, if MAI BJ bracket over if total supply is greater than the total demand, then add dummy column with zero transpositional cost. Case 2, if MAI slash BJ if total supply is less than the total demand, then add dummy row with zero transpositional cost. Unbalanced transpositional problem. If total supply is not equal total no demand is cancelled, unbalanced transpositional problem. D1, D2, D3, D4 supply 0 1 C11 C12 C13 C14 A1 supply 0 2 C21 C22 C23 C21 A2 supply 0 3 C31 C32 C33 C31 A3 supply demands B1 B2 B3 B4 and BJ. Now is the pencil summation of B shell BJ bracket that is total number of supply is not equal to total number of demand called balanced transformational problem. Example D1 D2 D3 D4 supply 0 1 30 34 30, 25 10 8 supply 0 2 3 4 8 9 supply 10 0 3 0 1 98 3 4 supply 50 demands 30 8 10 10 and I is equal to and theta bj. Here total is greater than total demand. The demand I is equal to 8 plus 10 plus 50 is equal to 68 and bj is equal to 30 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 58. So now we add dummy columns. Here we add the dummy column D1 D2 D3 D4 D5 supply 0 1 30 34 25 10 0 supply 8 0 2 3 4 8 9 0 supply 10 0 3 0 1 98 3 4 0 supply 50 demands 30 8 10 10 10 68 is equal to 8 plus 50 is equal to 68 dummy column. Now total supply is 60 and total number of demand also same 60, therefore problem became a balance. In example 2, this was here total demand is greater than total supply and is equal to 8 plus 10 plus 50 is equal to 60 and Vj is equal to 30 plus 8 plus 10 10 is equal to 74. And so now add dummy after adding a row round we have total supply is 74 and total number of demand also same 74 before, therefore problem became is balanced. Hope you understood the transformational problem. Thank you so much. Thank you.